Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about on a very important topic, why is revision important? See, no competitive exam can be cracked without revision, so just you need to understand the importance of revision in your preparation journey. I will also be sharing my real life story related to revision, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. So let me start with that there are 40 topics which you have to deal with in IIT JAM chemistry examination, roughly around 40 topics, huge bunch of syllabus, and when you go into the examination hall, there is a particular question from that whole syllabus and you have to pick the correct concept from your mind and apply it there. So this is only and only possible when the concepts are stored in your mind properly. Actually, I would say printed in your mind properly. Printed in your mind, which cannot be removed by anything. Okay, that's not an ink or anything, that is printed in your mind. And that can only happen if you go through the topic again and again. So what is actually revision? Revision is nothing but when you are going through a topic which you have already studied, which you have already understood conceptually, solved the numericals, solved the questions properly, and you are going through that topic again and again, and that is what is called as revision. If you don't do, you will not be able to remember that topic for long. Everybody says this. I'll share my real life story today with you as well. I always try to share honest and true story of mine. I tell my mistakes which I did so that you should refrain from doing the same and you can improve your rank in the examination. Okay, I'll be always be honest with my stories and with my real life stories and any message which I give. Okay, so let's get started to my real life story. I studied phase equilibria in August 2019. Yes, I studied phase equilibria in August 2019. I also solved all the questions, all the mock questions, all the previous year questions, understood all the concepts by writing them down by my own handwriting, understood the phase diagram for one component, two component, and everything I understood. But the mistake I did was that I opened that chapter for the second time in September 2020. That is after 1 year. And it actually seemed that that copy is not mine. I have bought with from somebody else. I was not able to recall a single word. I was not able to recall what phase actually is. What do we actually study in this topic? What is one component? What is two component? And that's a true fact. If you do not revise regularly, this is going to happen with you. That's why I say keep revising. Actually revision is more important than studying. Because if you continuously keep on studying, it will be jumbled up in your mind and you will not be able to pick out the correct concept from your mind. Is it clear to you? I hope it should be very clear to you, because I have also shared my real life story. Because if you are studying like this only, then you are actually washing away the previous content. And if you revise regularly, one more benefit I would say, if you revise regularly on a daily basis, if you can say, or if you have studied one topic from a particular teacher, you study it on your own and then revise it after a week, then you will be able to recall and connect to the lecture which was given to you by the teacher. You will be having a visual picture of lecture in your mind and you will never be able to forget that. If you even want to voluntarily forget that, then also you cannot forget if you revise regularly. That's a very important point. In order to avoid panicness, in order to avoid that fear that I am forgetting everything, keep revising regularly, because if you don't revise, you will keep forgetting, you will have a fear in your mind, you will have low self-confidence. This is the problem which you will be creating for yourself, for your examination, for your score and for your rank. So I hope you must have understood the importance of revision. Revision is basically important to keep your mind active and to keep the contents in your mind stored for a longer time so that you can pick out correct thing. Say suppose if you are not revising things and you are in the examination hall, the question is of electrochemistry. You have revised, even you have not revised electrochemistry anytime, you will be thinking like, I had studied that. I don't remember what was in the logarithm of the formula, but I had studied that. you will be having this mixed confusing feelings that I don't remember exactly, but yes, I have studied. So to avoid these, what should be the actual scenario? You see the question, oh, this is the formula of KSP, so E naught plus this is the formula, and you solve it and you do. This should be your speed, and this should be your thinking, level of thinking, approach of questions. This should be your approach of questions in your examination hall. And to build up all these, revision is very, very important. Otherwise, you will be end up doing the same story which I did. Okay, if you study like this, don't revise, you will be like thinking after some time, what is this? Okay, so in order to avoid all these, start revising, just keep some time in a day, actually 10 minutes in a day you can keep, or 1 or 2 days in a week you can keep. Like this you can do, start revising, you can do revision like this, and just try to complete your syllabus as early as possible, so that you can go do frequent revisions, more and more revisions. Now your question will be coming in your mind, one question will be coming in your mind, that bhaiya, what are the effective ways of revision? How should we revise that? You have already told that we have to revise. We should revise. What is the importance? So now what are the effective ways to revise? So I will be covering all these in the next video, but till then you have to stay tuned on my channel, keep sharing the channel, keep supporting the channel. If you are chemistry aspirant, IIT JAM chemistry aspirant, do subscribe the channel. Everybody should subscribe actually, but you chemistry people can go through the crash course which I have started. You can go through the strategy videos, you can go through the short notes which I have provided, PYQ series, Claydon series, and everything I have provided. Just keep supporting, and we will meet you in another video of effective ways of revision. Till then, stay tuned on Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.